Worried about leaving your Citi Mobile app logged in on a lost or shared device? The remote sign out feature is your solution. As of 2025, the Citi Mobile app allows you to remotely log out of all devices simultaneously, ensuring your account remains secure. This video will guide you through understanding and using this crucial security feature. The need for remote sign out arises from the increasing use of mobile banking and the associated risks of unauthorized access from compromised devices. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remotely secure your account. There are two methods to remotely log out of the Citi Mobile app on all devices. First, through the app. Open the Citi Mobile app on any device you have access to. Navigate to the menu, usually represented by a hamburger icon. Select Settings, then Account, and finally tap Sign Out of All Devices. Confirm your choice when prompted. The second method is through the Citi website. Log into your Citi account through a web browser. Go to your Profile section and find Security Settings. Look for an option like Sign Out of All Devices and follow the instructions. This will invalidate all active tokens, forcing a logout on every linked device, securing your account immediately. If you suspect any unauthorized access, perform this remote sign out immediately, then change your password and security questions.